In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can open a demo trading account. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe and let's get right into it. So guys, first of all, what you want to do is you want to come over to a broker. So for my example here, I'm going to show you Oanda because this is the one that I use personally. And you need to go ahead and download the software to your computer or laptop, whatever you're using. And then once you've done that, what will happen is you'll get a shortcut for Oanda MetaTrader on your desktop. And then what you want to do is just simply open Oanda. And then once it's loaded up, what you will be presented with is this here. And from here, to go ahead and create a demo account, what you can do is come over to File in the top left corner. And then come down to Open an Account, which is this option right here. Click on that. And then what you need to do is you want to go ahead and click on the one that is relevant to you. So I just recommend the Oanda V20 Practice 1. And then once you've selected that, you can go ahead and click on Next. And then once you've clicked on Next, you want to select a new demo account, obviously, and then click Next. And then what that will do is it will bring you to the screen here, and what you can do is you can choose a currency. So you've got a variety of currencies here, so you can choose from Australian dollar, Great British pound, or USD. So just leave it on USD if you want to do that. So from there, what you can do is you can go ahead and choose your deposit. So you've got 3,000, 5,000, all the way up to 5 million here. And if you want to go ahead and input something lower than 3,000, you can go ahead and input it manually. So if you are going to go ahead and trade with a $100 account once you are trading on a live account, you can go ahead and start off with that on a demo. So you can put in 100 USD and then click on I agree to subscribe to your newsletter. And you can choose your leverage if you want to do that. So you've got the option between 1 to 10 all the way up to 1 to 50. And then if you want to go ahead and open a $100 USD demo account, you can just click on Next here. And then what that will do is it will generate your login details. So once it's gone ahead and done that, you want to download MT4, so MetaTrader 4 from your app store on your mobile phone. So this would be your username login here, and then this would be your password to log in on your mobile. So that's how you go ahead and open up a demo account for Forex trading. It's really that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.